Hi everyone, my name is Nikki. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go through how I do my eyebrows. So this is how I shape my brows. So if you'd like to see how I get my eyebrows to look like this, then please keep watching. The three tools that I'm going to be using to do my brows will be some tweezers like this. I'll be using some scissors, and then finally any sort of spoolie will work. First thing I'm gonna do is just run the spoolie through my brows and kind of see where my brows are at. I think this is about maybe 2 weeks of growth. So you can see I have a little bit of hairs that have grown up here and a little bit that I want to clean up underneath my brows and obviously in the middle here. So the first thing I usually do is I like to tweeze a little bit under here and kind of get the shape of the brow going. Generally, you want to have the beginning of your eyebrow start kind of where your nostril starts, right there. The arch of the brow is right around where the pupil is. And then finally, the end of your brow is usually right where your eye ends, like that. I'm gonna tweeze a few more down here, a little bit at the end there, just cleaning them up. I don't want to make them too perfect. I have a few hairs that grow right above my eyebrow that I tweeze, so I'm gonna get rid of those hairs as well. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eyebrow. So this is what that looks after tweezing underneath and then on top. This is what this eyebrow looks like before any tweezing. Same thing, there are a few hairs that have grown under here that I want to get rid of, and then a couple on top, right around there. Now that I have the basic shape down, I'm going to brush through them again. And this is where I use the scissors. So the way I use the scissors is I just kind of cut and angle it down like that. So whatever gets trapped in there is gonna be gone. I'm basically gonna repeat the same steps over. I'm gonna brush it up, identify any little strays, and just cut. While I'm cutting, if I identify any new little hairs, I'll just tweeze them. So no exact science to it, just brush, cut, tweeze, repeat. One other thing I like to do is I actually like to brush the hairs down. That will help me kind of identify any other little stray strands that I can tweeze. I think that looks pretty good. Any areas where I have sparsity, whenever I do my makeup, I'll just fill it in using a brow pencil. And then I'm gonna repeat the same steps on the other side. Here's what they look like after. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it very useful. And don't forget to subscribe.